So I wanted to give you guys an update on the channel, on what's happening to this channel, what's going to be happening to this channel moving forward, guys. So as it stands, this YouTube channel was founded on FPV, flying FPV drones, which, don't get me wrong, have a special place in my heart. However, moving forward, I'm going to be pumping out content that is not really FPV. So where my head has been lately, if you haven't seen the last few videos I've been making, I've kind of just been documenting life, is what I like to call it. Just creating content. That's really ultimately what it boils down to. I've been really into photography lately, so going around taking pictures and taking videos has been a passion of mine. And I've honestly been at it since I was young, making like little videos at the lake and all this good stuff. So I do want to keep you guys posted, you guys being my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. It has been a fun journey, but I thought I'd be honest with y'all and let you know that we're gonna be on to some other projects moving forward. So with that being said, I have a lot of cool projects lined up that I have in mind. I want to really tap into traveling. You know, my mission statement on this channel has always been to travel the globe and share perspective never seen. So that's the chapter that I'm in right now, and I'm excited for what's ahead. Let's just say that. A lot of crazy ideas, a lot of places we can take it. So if you do see some interesting content moving forward, that is why we're making that leap. But I did want to say thank you to everybody that has subscribed to this channel, that's been here since day one. It's been a fun one. So anywho, quick little video. I'm gonna just leave up some fun videos. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a good one. Peace.
Can you zoom?
Not from this view.
Not from this? Okay.
If you,